Today we are going to get started with Microsoft Publisher. The first thing we need to do is save the file. Look for a link on the page that says Download File. Click on that link. A new window will appear. Click Save. Another window will appear. Now you need to select from the pull-down menu your student number. You want to make sure to save the file in your H drive, your student drive. So again, select from the pull-down menu your student number. Then click Save. Finally, click on Open. For this project, you're going to be inserting clip art for different computer parts. You'll be inserting clip art for the mouse, the monitor, the CPU, the keyboard, speakers, and flash drive. To begin, we need to find the picture icon on the left side of your window. It looks like this. Click on that and choose Clip Art. A new window will appear. Here is where you type in your search result, or your search. So if I want to search for mouse, I type in the word mouse. I want to make sure I'm searching in all collections. When I'm ready, I click Go. Try it again. When I'm ready, I click Go. Okay, here we go. Wow. There's lots of different computer mice. I don't want to use the living kind. Okay, this one looks good. When I've chosen my clip art, I simply click on it and it appears on my screen. To move it, I click with the first mouse button and hold and drag. To resize it, I click with the first mouse button, hold, and drag. I'm clicking on the corner right here. If you resize it this way, you're going to make your mouse look really skinny. We don't want that. It's easiest to resize with the corner. The next clip art we're going to add is the monitor. Before we add another clip art, we need to deselect this clip art. Let me show you what happens if we don't. So, right now this clip art is selected because I clicked on it and you can see that there are dots around it. So you know that this clip art is selected. See what happens when I add my monitor clip art. I'm going to type in monitor and I'm going to click Go. Now I'm going to click on my monitor. My monitor just replaced my mouse. Uh-oh. That's because I had my mouse selected when I added another clip art. You want to make sure that doesn't happen. So first we're going to undo this. I'm going to go to Edit, Undo. I can also click on this little arrow right here. This is the undo arrow. This will undo my mistake right here. You can see it's back to a normal mouse because I clicked on the undo arrow. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to select another clip art and add that clip art without replacing our mouse. So what I need to do is I need to deselect, or I need to make sure that this clip art is not selected. Right now it's selected, now it's not. Now it's selected, now it's not. Now it's selected, now it's not. Selected, not selected. Selected, not selected. So I need to make sure it's not selected, and then I'm going to go back over here and add my monitor. There we go. I added my monitor. I'm going to resize it by clicking and holding on the corner like this. I'm clicking, holding, and dragging on the corner. I'm going to move it to the monitor bubble. Okay. I'd like you to add clip art for each of the bubbles. Before we save, I wanted to show you one last thing. To move to the right, I click and drag on this bar right here. I can move to the left or to the right. To move up or down, I click and drag on this bar right here. Fancy, huh? Do you know what the scroll button on your mouse is? I'm going to show you something really cool with the scroll on your mouse. Look for the control key on your keyboard. Hold down that control key. Your control key says CTRL. Hold that down. And now move the scroll on your mouse. You will notice that I'm zooming in. If I turn the scroll the other way, I zoom out. Pretty fancy, huh? Have fun with Microsoft Publisher. Add 6 pictures, 6 clip art images, and then you need to save. To save, all you have to do is click here. And that will save all of your work that you've done. And then to exit, you go all the way over here and click on the X.